Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to this video. We're talking specifically about myEcon and the training that is provided by our team. And realistically, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to open up the doors and let you inside so you can see it for yourself. Really, like what makes our team different, what makes our team unique, what are some of the things that we're doing in order to get the results that we get. Well, it's pretty simple. I've shared this with you in a lot of other videos, but this time is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to give you access, actual free access to what we do so you can see it for yourself. So I've shared multiple times that what makes us different and what helps us get a lot of results in myEcon, literally hundreds and hundreds of sales per week, especially with the promo that we have going on right now, less than $10 to join. If you're not in, I mean, we're talking under 10 bucks. Like, don't even think about it. Like, why would you even waste a moment of thought there? Link in the description down below. Just get started. And for whatever crazy reason, if you don't want the over $10,000 in free value that we're going to give you, and by the way, that link is in the description down below, and you can go and see and understand everything that you're going to get just by activating your myEcon membership. It's insane. But if you don't want the value, you don't want to make and save more money, you don't want to make large weekly commissions, you can quit at any time, and you can even get your money back. I mean, biggest no-brainer in the history of anything right now. But to my point, I've made many videos about our team training site, but what's extra special here is when you go down to your bonuses, we do live trainings literally 5 times a week, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern. We're training the entire team, motivation, education, literally we're doing a segment every Thursday and Tuesday, which is like follow the leader. And I go in there, I give people a post, I give people the content, and I literally post it live with you guys. And all you got to do is kind of follow along and literally do exactly as I'm doing. So if you're looking to get started with myEcon, if you're looking for training, if you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for something that is proven, documented, that actually works, where real people actually get real results, this is the place to be. So what I want to show you is right here over on my channel. So literally the channel that you're watching right now, right below this video, you can click on over to my channel and it will bring you here, probably over to the home page, but you can click specifically where it says playlist. So the same exact playlist that we keep right here in our team training says access training replays here. Well, that's just going to kick you right on over here to my channel, and you can literally click here and you can access all of our training absolutely free. So if you're checking out myEcon, if you're checking out the funnel team, if you kind of want to see a little bit under the hood, it's kind of like taking a car for a test drive. If you want to take it for a test drive before you get on the inside, before you get involved, then you can head on over, and I'll make it that much easier for you. Right down below this video, I'll actually take this playlist link and I'll put that in the description down below. So all you got to do is open up the description notes. You can click on right over here and you can see that we are literally live every single day, 5 times a week. And I even date the thumbnails so you can see what day it is, what day we went live. If there's something special going on, things like election day or whatever, then I'll put that right on the thumbnail. Black Friday preview, Cyber Monday information, all that other stuff. I'll put that right on the thumbnails, and we put the date so you know exactly what day it was. If you ever have to, if you learned something really cool and you want to reference that and go back and, whatever, you can always bookmark this stuff too, save the videos to favorites, whatever you want to do. But I wanted to show you this because, there's no secrets to what we do. There's really no secrets. Yes, we have a team training site. Yes, we give you over $10,000 in free value just for starting your myEcon business. Okay. So you can start your myEcon business right now at the time of this video for less than $10. We're going to give you a done for you system, all of your funnels, your email marketing, an app, training, content, everything that you need to start building and growing and making sales today. We're going to give you all that for free just for getting started. And part of this training series is a massive, massive amount of free value that you get. And I want you to think about, out there in the world of marketing, if you were to go onto, platforms like TikTok or Facebook or Insta or whatever, and you find those digital marketers that are selling courses and coaching and all that other stuff, they're going to charge you hundreds or thousands of dollars for coaching. They're going to charge you, especially if you want to get live training from them, 5 times a week, you're going to be paying a boatload of money. It's absolutely free when you're on our team. So I just want you to think about that. I mean, instead of jumping from one opportunity to the other, instead of opportunity hopping and going for shiny object after shiny object, you could just park your butt right in our team site and have everything you need and never have to worry about jumping to another opportunity itself. Again, you have myEcon, which has proven over the last 20 years. It's been a proven business over the last 20 years. You have the funnel team, which has been around for 4 years, which has brought in almost 10,000 people onto our team because we have a proven and documented method, a proven and documented system. So again, you can keep jumping around. You can keep wishing, praying, and hoping that, every time you start a new opportunity, you're going to strike it rich, or you can do something that actually works and it works really well. And there's an incredible amount of value. So if you haven't seen my full overview, I cover those two specific things there where I talk about what are the two main reasons why we do so well, why our team does so well, why this is a duplicatable process. And it's simple. We use methods that work, and they work right now, and we have irresistible value. It's as simple as that. Okay. Proven and documented methods that work right now and irresistible value. It's a combo that you can't beat and you're not going to find anywhere else. And it's as simple as that. So if you want to see what we do, if you want to look under the hood, link in the description down below. Number one, you can get started because there's a link down there to do that. And it's less than $10, so I wouldn't even think about it. And also, if you want to see under the hood and see what we do and check that out, that link is also in the description down below. And that'll take you right here to the playlist that you see on your screen right now. And you can go check us out. You could see how we roll and what we do. Things like this right here, special guest. When I bring special guests on and I interview them, people that are on our team that are getting really great results. You could go share in their success, and who knows, maybe we could be interviewing you soon, and you could be sharing your results after you watch one of these videos and you got started and you saw, wow, this is really awesome. So thank you for watching, my friend. I know a little long-winded, but hey, that's me. That's who I am. So hey, it's all good. Appreciate you. Thank you for being here. If you made it to this point in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out, allows me to continue doing what I am doing here, which is providing you with content and obviously sharing, helping you make money online and being able to do that every single day. It's a true blessing, and I get to love what I do, and I hope you get to love what you do because it's a pretty awesome feeling, my friend. So thank you for watching. Link in the descriptions down below to either check out this series or get started. And I, my friend, will see you on the next one. Take care.